We are committed as a global institution to support all the diverse needs of our 5,000 staff and more than 20,000 students on campus. They all have their own requirements, and we have a big responsibility to support their learning in any way which is appropriate.
We're very good at actually consulting our staff about what's important to them. We signed up for the Athena Swan Charter, which is around women in science and engineering, looking at why women don't actually go into those sorts of careers, but also what we could do to try and attract and retain particularly our academic staff in those areas. As an organisation, we are very family friendly, so we have a lot of policies that actually support women in the environment of work, and that's through flexible working. We have a childcare centre, benefits like maternity, and all of those things go towards giving some additional support where it's needed.
The benefits are vast. From the leading world-class academics we have, which come from all over the world, to the opportunity for our students to encounter cultural experiences which are those of many people from many different backgrounds and with many different takes on life.
I think it's important to remember that lesbian and gay people are living with the legacy of generations of legal and social discrimination, and that being lesbian, gay, bisexual or trans is not a choice or a lifestyle. It's fundamentally who we are, and it informs everything we do. So the university's got quite an extensive range of support for the LGBT people who work and study here. And principal amongst these are the networks, the Student Society and the Postgraduate Student and Staff Network, which can provide a social forum but also liaises with the university about its diversity and equality and employment policies. And we also have a large programme of educational events and lectures. So we work with a number of different organisations, one of which is Stonewall, and it campaigns for gay rights, but it also works with employers to help them be better at being diverse and gay-friendly employers.
In practice, it means recognising that everybody has their own personal experience and needs, and that our community needs to be inclusive, and that we also need to monitor constantly and review how we maintain a consistent commitment.
We do a lot at the university to encourage an understanding of difference and diversity and cultural awareness. We've had international and national experts come to speak on issues of race and also discrimination. And also we have the Black and Asian Minority Ethnic Staff Network, which has consulted on many of the policies and practices. So it really is important that we get that message to all our staff and students. Although the university is a secular organisation, it does recognise and also facilitate religious observance. So we have Faith Express, so we've got Anglican, Methodist, Catholic chaplaincy, and also the Muslim prayer room. I think it's really important, particularly now, because we're increasingly operating in a global market. We're increasing our numbers of international students engaging in international research. So it has an impact on everything we do. It's not only about the moral issue and also about our reputation, but it's also on how we can operate effectively.
We have a wide range of dedicated support services and facilities for staff and student well-being, disability, and also support for international students. About 5% of our students, that's around 800 people at any one time, declare a disability, and it's really important that we have a supportive environment for those people. We have a disability support team, we have a mental health advisory service, and there's also a staff network to support disabled students, including all of our dyslexic students.
Not everybody does want to be reminded of their disability. In fact, staff tell me that they don't want to be treated any differently. They're perfectly fine and capable. They just want the opportunity to come and have a talk to us if they do need any support. At any time in an employee's career, they can let us know if their circumstances have changed. And what that does is it enables us to provide them with assistance, reasonable adjustments, anything that actually enables them to stay working for us.
I think diversity and equality are values that matter to us because that's who we are, it's what we stand for.
Equality and diversity really do matter because they have a real impact on the experience of staff and also students in terms of their experiences and their working lives.
It demonstrates that we truly want our staff and students to be the best they possibly can be.
I've wasted so much of my time editing myself for other people's consumption, but if I can be authentic in the workplace, I can be more productive, more creative, just more me.